When you first land on Dr. Hair of Chicago's website, the layout is clean and focused. Right away, you'll notice that this platform targets users dealing with hair loss, especially those looking for discreet, medically supervised options. Their homepage is straight to the point, offering direct links to treatment options, testimonials, and a telehealth consultation form. It's clear they want you to act fast, but let's slow down and really break down what's offered here. The core offering includes prescription strength treatments like finasteride and minoxidil. These are commonly used in hair regrowth, and Dr. Hair of Chicago makes them accessible through their licensed providers after a quick online consultation. You're asked to fill out a medical form detailing your hair loss pattern, any past medications, and general health conditions. The process is fairly streamlined, though it does lack the depth of a full dermatology consult. Still, for a digital service, it's efficient. Shipping is available across multiple states, and they offer recurring subscription plans, which can be paused or canceled. This part is user-friendly, but note that the default setting signs you up for auto-renewals. The pricing is competitive, especially compared to traditional clinics, but you might find cheaper alternatives elsewhere if you're willing to shop around. They also sell non-prescription support products, like shampoos and supplements. These are clearly marketed as supporting your treatment plan, but keep in mind they're not miracle solutions. I appreciated that the site doesn't oversell these extras too aggressively, but reviews for these products are mixed. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Customer service is where things get slightly shaky. While they do respond, some users report slow replies or vague answers. There's no live chat feature, which could be a downside for those needing immediate help. Shipping timelines are generally accurate, though there have been isolated complaints about delays and billing confusion, particularly when canceling subscriptions. The educational content is decent. There's a blog that covers common questions about hair loss and treatments, though it's not updated very frequently. It would be helpful if they added more video content or success stories with real-time progress photos, as the few before and after images feel curated and not entirely transparent. Overall, Dr. Hair of Chicago does offer a convenient path to medical hair loss treatment, especially if you already know what you're looking for and prefer the online route. It's not perfect, customer support could be better, and there's a bit of fine print to look out for with subscriptions. But if you're seeking FDA-approved medications without going to a physical clinic, this is a solid option to consider. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe for more honest reviews like this.